what's going on, everybody? So today we're going to be doing a POV drive on the 435i. I'm literally only going to be doing a POV drive. I'm not going to be talking. It's just going to be simply exhaust note. So before I actually start going on this drive, I just want to explain to you guys what I have done, just for the new people who haven't seen this car before. So this car is full bolt-ons. It has a 5-inch intercooler, a catless 4-inch downpipe, a CTS turbo intake, and a BMS aluminum charge pipe, MHD Stage 2 Plus tune, and then resonator delete, MP axle back. So let's get to it. So that's with the valve closed. So you do get the pops and the bangs and stuff like that. And then that's with the valve open.